Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to write beautiful Allah name in a new type of calligraphy and in new style. So let's start. So first of all, take two pencils and join them and write Allah with them in the same way in which I am writing. And here our pencil work is completed, and after that now we are moving towards the another work which is called marker work. So first of all, we will take a brown marker and give outline to the pencil written calligraphy. But be careful, because on the some parts we don't follow the pencil, as you can watch in this video. And in this way we will trace our pencil to give outline to the Allah name. And if you don't have subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel and like this video. And if you have any question, then tell me in comment. I will tell you what's the answer of that question. And here the work of brown marker is completed, and after that we will move ahead towards erasing the portion of pencil that we don't have trace. And after that we will move ahead towards the other works related to this calligraphy. Now we will move ahead, and by taking orange marker we will make a shadow in this way. By making these shadows, we are enhancing the beauty of our calligraphy. You can also use any other marker for the tracing purpose and also for the shadow purpose. As here I have used brown marker, and for shadow purpose we have used orange marker. Similarly, you can use dark blue marker for the tracing purpose and light blue marker for the shadow purpose. But here I want to include different type of colors in this calligraphy. So other than orange, I'll use yellow and dark brown marker also. And here the use of orange marker is near to complete. And after that we will move ahead towards the yellow marker work. And here we will take yellow marker and do same shadow work with it. As you can see here, the little yellow texture is looking good in this calligraphy. And after that, here our yellow markers work is also completed. And after that we will move ahead and take a brown marker and give the same shading. And after the use of brown marker, our work and calligraphy become completed. And here is the final look of our calligraphy. Thanks for watching video. Allah Hafiz.